Hi everyone. So today for our literacy session, we are going to be looking at the shus sound. Cious. Let's have a little look at our spellings. Okay, so you have got 10 spelling words that I would like you to look at today. So these words are delicious, atrocious, conscious, ferocious, gracious, luscious, malicious, precious, spacious, and suspicious. Now, as you can notice, the N sound is all the shus sound. So, what I would like you to do is just have 2 little minutes. And can you think of any other shus sounding words or ending in the shus sound rather? And you can just make a little thought bubble on your scrap piece of paper if you can think of any others. So I have thought of another three. So I have vivacious, and then you see if the spelling pattern is there. Another would be vicious. The dog was vicious when he was growling. Okay, so our spelling pattern. And another one, audacious. I like that word, audacious. And what I would like you to do is if you go, sorry, misspelled, rid of that, Audacious. Our spelling pattern, audacious. Okay, I'd like you to go down your list of words and I'd like you to just think about if you know the spellings, or sorry, the meanings of the words. So if you know the meanings of the words, I'd like you to just do a little mini dictionary of what they are. If you're unsure of some of the meanings of the words, then can you please um, go back, go and have a little look at an online dictionary and find out the meaning of those words. Same for if there's any in my thought bubble that you were unsure of. Okay. Once you've done your mini dictionary and you are understanding of the meanings, we have this sheet here. Okay, now each of these meanings is the definition for the words on your spelling list here. So, for example, something which tastes very nice. Let's go through our spelling list. Nice and easy is the top one, delicious. So I would match that one up with delicious. And I want you to go through the 10 and try and put them into matching pairs. Once you have done that, we are going to do our look cover check. And we do this in guided reading sessions so you know exactly what to do. You've got to look at the word. Can you say the word? Can you break it up into chunks to help with the spellings? Then I want you to cover the word and try and spell. Then go back, check to see if it's right, and have another go. The next activity then, we've got a kind of a word scramble. So could you then put these words and fit them into your word scramble? Once you've done that, if you could pick 5 words out of the sentences to put into your own, you pick 5 of the words out of the list and put into your own sentences. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing all of your responses.